Welcome back to the frickin' lair, boys. Girlfriend's upstairs sleeping after a night shift to the hospital. Don't want to wake her up. You want what they give you. You know what I mean? You gotta make them happy a little bit. It's awful. Anyway, that's kind of why the lights are all shoddy, but we do what we can do. Sorry. Back in action. Alright, man. Good to see you guys back. Frickin', it's been 4 days now. I took a little bit of time off. Try to do it like once a year or whatever. So re-energized, you know? So I think too much sometimes, and I hear if you think too much and you're kind of a savant, smartly wise, you gotta put your brain to a break or something. So I took Einstein's advice and I did it. But I appreciate you guys for being cool with it, and I made sure I was gonna give you guys a real cool unboxing when we come back. Now, you guys might remember we were giving away the gold ring last video. If you guys got 2,000 thumbs up within the day, y'all killed it. Hit it right out the water. Editing room edit. It's out the park, bro. It's not out the water. Well, you about to hit out the water. I'll tell you one thing. I'm about to hit a mermaid in the water. Alright, back to the video. Somebody actually got it already, so don't be upset because we're doing another giveaway right now, but also be stoked for the dude, man. He was mad stoked about it. I feel real good about that, so congratulate him down below. Maybe he'll say what's up. But today, bribe you guys a little bit more if we got this right here. This is what we're giving away this time. We're giving away a freaking gold rope chain, boys. If we hit 3,000 thumbs up, because 2,000 was so mad easy for you guys last video, we will give away this thing to somebody. It's cool. It's dope. I don't know what else to say. Enjoy it if you get it. Anyway, you guys got to give a thumbs up down below and comment to make that happen. And also, my Instagram's right here. Leave me a message and a follow if you want to, saying you did that. Also, I'm sorry I'm on a spinny chair every time I'm down here. We don't have any upstairs. It's a real issue. I'm gonna be spinning the whole video. I'm spinning off coffee. I'm spinning off some and I'm just freaking happy. ADHD is probably the main culprit. Anyway, let's get into this video, you freaking creeps. So, what we got here, man, you guys already saw the title. We have a diamond watch unboxing from Johnny Dang. Now, you guys have been loving these videos lately of searching up these, like, well-known, I don't know what they are. Well-known jewelers is what they are, you idiot. Anyway, Johnny Dang is probably one of the most well-known in terms of, like, fame rappers. Not rapper. Look at this face. He's not a rapper. Come on, now. Sorry, not sick. He's, like, one of the most well-known, famous-wise jewelers, if you don't know that already. But we got a diamond watch. Now I know you guys are thinking, NameBran, you're a freaking idiot, you fat whale. How in the world do you think you're about to get your money back from this video to make this purchase happen? Well, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this actually wasn't from Johnny Dang's website. This thing I found for $300 and something on eBay. This watch right here, a diamond Johnny Dang watch, 100% legit. I'm gonna put it up right here. I don't really know what it says. I forgot my phone upstairs. But what you're reading is it's a Johnny Dang watch with, I guess, aftermarket diamonds put in it. So it's kind of like my Gucci watch right here. This Gucci watch, when they sold it, it didn't come with diamonds in it that it has now. I guess whoever bought it got a jeweler to put in diamonds. I think that's what happened with this. Once again, it was 300 and something bucks, literally under $500. Anything I've bought with any sort of diamonds on it for that price, especially a watch by Johnny Dang, I'd assume, is just horrible quality diamonds. So we're gonna check it out right now. Without further ado, boys, let's get into this puppy right here. I'm so stoked, bro. I'm stoked to give you guys this video. Oh shoot. We got a damn purse on the inside of the box, and I've accidentally bought women's jewelry before, so let's hope that's not the frickin' outcome of this. I just know eBay sellers usually ship with boxes that they have in their house, and clearly that's what happened. Damn it. Let's go, boys. Oh, well, you really packed this, and I will say right now, you don't need this big of a box for the watch, bro. But it's okay. Oh, I see it popping out. She's coming out the pink, boys. Easy with those jokes. It was kind of a baby coming out of it. It's a bad joke. All right, we see it right here. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to collect my thoughts right now before I give you them. Obviously, that's how that brains work, but I'm not too good at using that thing. What I said earlier about being Einstein, I'm not that. I'm Einstein's retarded brother, I'm pretty sure, but as y'all can see, it's not my style. But this is what we have right here. Now, on the ad, they said that it was lightly worn, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. We got the diamonds right there, and I don't know if y'all could see with the diamonds glistening. There's some really, like, in this lighting in person, it looks phenomenal. Unless you look real close in here, there's some black crap diamonds, bro. It doesn't the quality of the diamonds are awful. Hey, Bran, what you think? Should we hit him with a shine test? Okay. Test engaged. In the worst part of my house, my bad, but it's all right. It's not bad. But at the top, the coolest part, boys, we what's that say? What's that? You read it to me, boys. You can see it, because I can't. I need y'all to read it. What's it say? Yeah, Johnny.net. One thing that's freaking me out is it's not moving. Watch The watch ain't moving, bro. At least keep the battery in it. It said it's 100% working though. This actual eBay seller, they got 100% on there for customer feedback. And also they've sold a lot of stuff like this. So I do trust it. It also says 100% money back guarantee if it is fake. On the back right there, it says Johnny Dang, Paul Wall. I don't know if that was a collaboration or if they just like work together a lot. I've definitely heard of Paul Wall before. And we got the little Johnny Dang logo right there. Very cool. Very sick. Very cool, man. It looks like a chick's strap in terms of my opinion of the color. I wouldn't wear this color. So of course we're gonna diamond test the thing. If I'm not too shaky, I've had everything in life in the last hour that's gonna make me shaky, and don't promote that. Hold up real quick. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. We have to give credit where it's due to you. It's our website. Link is down below. Guys, what we sell on the website is jewelry that is fake for a mad good price. I make pretty much no profit off this, or at least the profit margins are quite low for what I'm selling. My job on the website is to pick out the styles though that you guys would really dig. So there's two things right here you guys might really enjoy. The thing about it too is everything's free, but not really. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and you can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So if you go on the website, something says it's free, don't just add that to your cart and pay shipping. Add another thing to your cart and then pay shipping. That's how we try to make it the best for you guys, man. Appreciate y'all for that. NameBranFam.com. Once again, link is down below. Holy mother of God, it looks like I have a jet engine on my freaking wrist. It's a liquor. And actually, second thoughts, while it's on my wrist, I'm not minding the strap at all. I've never worn any watch that has had like a leather strap, or I don't know if this is actual genuine leather. It does feel like it actually, and I kind of know my leathers. I used to thrift a lot. I do not mind this at all. It's big. That's definitely one thing. It's big, but maybe something other than this one to a wedding, although this might be real sick at a wedding, but something a little more formal. You know what I mean? I got the strap right here. The grandmas, the moms, they're gonna dig me. You know what I mean? If they're hot, they'll dig me. So let's take out the diamond tester. I've been talking a lot. I didn't think I'd say this by the end of it. You motherfucker. I hate every diamond tester I have. They always break. I don't even remember what I was saying. But anyway, quick diamond test just to make sure. Nice. Nice. Try another one. Cool. Yeah, so it's 100% genuine diamonds. Very stoked about it. Not the coolest Johnny Dang watch you can get, but the main thing about this was we just got a diamond Johnny Dang watch made by Johnny Dang, or whoever the hell works for him, for under $500. I think that's sick. We got another Johnny Dang thing coming real soon. So if this gets tons of thumbs up, I'll put it out this week. If not, I might have to make y'all wait a month. You know what I mean? Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Merkin the game, the greatest of all time. You let me know with the style. But closing thoughts, and I know I've said it a lot, but I want to say it a little bit better this time. I think it looks better on the wrist than it does like this, bars. But you guys let me know your thoughts about it. It's not the coolest piece ever, but once again, Johnny Dang on it, I think is really sick. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merkin the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Blow. Ha.